My country people, welcome back to my channel today and happy Valentine's Day to everybody. I hope say una enjoy una Valentine because Valentine still dey even go on by now, but I don't close for today. So onto today gist. Saskay don't come out, come show us her boo ever since she come out of the Big Brother house. We know to say Saskay, she never really come out, come announce the person wey say she did date. So today being Valentine's Day, she don't come out, come show us who the guy be. And also, some J they celebrate their first Valentine together today. And Alex, unusual, she don't come under fire after her talk show where we say she do have been a podcast. So of recent, Angel she do her birthday few hours ago and the birthday was epic. Her boyfriend wey dey call Soma, he got her a diamond necklace from Bose. And as they celebrate, today e come turn out to be Valentine's Day. So two of them come dey house together celebrate their Valentine. So as you can see from the videos, you go see say two of them they really choose each other despite everything. The two of them are really weary people, honestly. You know, as in if I dey see Soma sometimes, I will just dey laugh because the guy, Soma is a finished man, as you dey see am so. Well, happy Valentine's Day to them anyways. Onto Alex matter. Alex unusual, she come out come talk about childhood trauma wey be say dey happen for different people life. Some people, the type of suffered life wey be say they see when they small, the thing they affect them for real life when they actually grow up. So one particular person come tweet about wetin happen to her. Alex come pick up the topic. So the person come say a therapist said if you self-isolate when overwhelmed, you are probably hard to solve a lot of your problems alone as a child. Wetin dey try to talk be say a therapist don talk once to say once you be person wey be say you always isolate yourself from society. If you get small problem, you isolate yourself, all those type of thing. E mean to say as from small pikin, you don start to dey struggle on your own, dey solve a lot of your problems on your own. Alex come say I disagree. Everything is not about childhood trauma. As she make that statement, people come dey insult her, say you don't know about wetin people suffer when they small, so not talk about pain wey you no understand. So Alex come back to come explain wetin she mean by that sentence. So she come say the messages from my last Easter story are quite concerning as I stand strongly on what I typed. Everything is not about childhood trauma. Some people had an amazing time growing up, but as adults experience things that affected them in one way or another. You can't blame your parents or everyone around you for your misbehave or react to situations. How you misbehave or react to situations. Miss me with that. I'm not disputing the fact that childhood trauma exists, but don't blame bad attitude or life adaptation skills that you've developed with time on your childhood. We all have one, two, or many traumatic experiences, but it's no excuse to be a bad person. For instance, one might have shared things with friends that got out, so they decide to keep things to themselves, or deal with issues by isolating, but when it's brought up, they will say childhood trauma. I had to go through things alone growing up. Let's not make it look like our parents were completely emotionally unintelligent or available. There is no perfect parenting, and in a bit to be woke, let's not throw all of them under the bus. Search deeply and find out the exact experiences that traumatized you. Thanks for being present for my TED talk. You can choose to disagree. It's totally fine. I love you. To me, I think Alex no dey understand this thing. Oh. She no dey understand wetin the person dey talk. There's a difference between isolating yourself and having a bad attitude. This thing dey literally out of context to me. Abi how una take see am? Make we just see some few comments under this thing wey be say. So the first person here come say this one just dey rant literate wey no sabi assimilate. I'm not sure how self-isolation is a bad habit. Another one can say that's why it's good to go to school. Alex, the quote says probably doesn't mean it applies in all situations. The last person say fact, everything isn't caused by childhood trauma. Some are life adaptation skills or lessons you've learned dealing with people. Yes, childhood trauma dey and things wey be say you don't learn from people, lessons when you don't learn from people, they different. There's a difference between lesson from people and trauma wey be say really happen to you. There are some people when the people they talk about childhood trauma, there are some people where we say lose their parents when they did very, very small. That kind of thing, how you won't even take overcome that kind of thing in the first place. No matter how rich you become in life, no matter how fulfilled you later become in life when you grow up. You see that there's something where we say they always break when you lose your parents when you small. So that kind of trauma not be something where person dey easily overcome. So another person can say, rest, Alex, you don't know people's story and trauma experiences. You think it's easy to overcome it, hence why they go for therapy. You went out of context, contact am. And this one say, Alex, please shut up. And that one say, over sabi dey worry Alex. The last person say, I'm at this table, it's only God that knows what I'm going through. So please don't say what you don't know, since you are not the one wearing the shoe. In as much as your childhood trauma not supposed make you misbehave when you grow up, but sometimes some of those things they actually affect. Imagine children wey be say they born into all those foster home. Imagine that most of the how they turn out later, nobody dey care for them. Pikin wey be say you born by yourself and pikin wey we born together no be the same thing o. Your own pikin no fit be the way you take care of your own pikin, another person no fit take care of your own pikin like that. So make we just try dey differentiate between the two. Self isolation no mean talk say person get bad character. I understand where Alex dey come from, but she just no arrange the thing well. But anyways, una understand. So onto Saskay matter, as we all know, Saskay since she come out of Big Brother house, she have been bagging endorsement. The that girl is rich from wetin we don see so far. If they talk of after Erica sef, it's like na even Saskay sef na dey follow for back o when we dey talk about endorsement deals. So inside the house, as we all remember, J Paul na be the person wey be say dey chike her, cross to dey chike her. J Paul even use all e abeg naira take buy flower give the girl on Valentine's Day last year, and sorry, not last year, that particular year wey be say they do the Big Brother, and the thing no come work out. As she come out of the show, she fling the boy away. So she go come out today to come show us who be the new man wey be say she did. She first of all post this picture of just her. So na only herself na she first post to, then we come see this other picture for this side, the person sit down for there, we come check the two, come see say na the same set out, so na the same picnic, I mean na wetin dem dey call am, na the same thing na it dey be, which means say na two of them na dey na. So everybody come and say are they dating, this is love. By the time if you spend, look at this type of romantic this thing, you won't tell me to see this not be Saskay boyfriend. Now a boyfriend be this. So she just not want more, we know, but we don't cash and we can't gum the two picture together, can't turn and say na she. Well, congratulations to her and her boo. It's not easy to see person wey say go spend Valentine with, but even if you not see even if you not get Valentine party now, my dear, there you not lose anything, no, believe me, you not lose anything. Self-love na suppose be your number one priority before you love another person. First of all, love yourself, because if you don't love yourself enough, you know if you love another person. So happy Valentine to everybody, and for those of una wey be say no even get vow, happy Valentine to una too. Una take care, una bye.